guys, this is Lori at TMI Gifts. This is episode 2 of our Back to the Basics. This is just us telling you some fundamentals of wreath making. And so in episode 1, I've told you the tools that you could use, some really basic tools that you need if you want to start wreath making. So showed you those things in episode 1. This episode is you trying to figure out what wreaths that you want to do. So if you're new in here, y'all make sure that you comment where you're from, and subscribe to this channel, and also hit those like buttons and let us know where you guys are from and if you're new to wreath making. This is tmigifts.com, and my name is Lori, and I'm just going to tell you a couple of things that you want to know, or wreaths that you want to do. So if you want to get into wreath making and you don't really know what the differences are, you kind of have a little bit of an idea. This is called a teardrop. Some people call it a swag. We've called it a swag before. This is not fluffed, but it has this hook up here and you hang it, and so you're decorating down into this, okay? So you can do, if you're doing a wreath and you want to decide, you're trying to figure out what do I want to hone in on? What is the first thing that I want to do? You might want to do a teardrop / swag. That's what this is. This is one form of wreath making or door pieces that you want to do. You could do a evergreen, which is a full evergreen wreath. You can add mesh to this. You could just add embellishments to it. A lot of people like the fullness of this because when you start embellishing with it and you start adding florals and things like that, it sticks to all of this full greenery that's in here. So this is just a full evergreen wreath. It's a 24-inch evergreen wreath. You can purchase all of these products at TMI Gifts, okay? All right. One of the basic wreaths that most wreath makers start out with is probably a wort wreath. This is a wort wreath. And so if you want to keep it simple and you don't want to add a lot of embellishment to start with, a wort wreath is a good place to start. It's just this wire frame. You have your tines on it. And sometimes the tine, this is a pencil one. Sometimes the tines are a little bit thicker. We have both in stock, and we have lots of different colors. But you can add a 21-inch mesh to this wreath all the way around. You could add 10-inch mesh to this wreath and cut it in curls and add it all the way around. We'll get to that episode in the future. But this is a good wreath just to start out, and you can add all that mesh in here, and then you still have room to add ribbon on top of it, and then put you a sign in it and a bow, and you're done. And that's a good starter wreath. A lot of people that are starting out in the wreath world, they start out with this wreath right here, and then they graduate on up to other wreaths. If you've been wreath making and you've already been doing a little bit of wreaths, a grapevine wreath, this is not the exact grapevine that we have, but this is grapevine wreath right here. We have all different. We have round, oval, all the wreaths, all the grapevine wreaths, but a grapevine wreath may be something that you want to start out doing. If you're using a grapevine wreath, you're probably not adding a lot of mesh. You're doing more florals and greenery, and you're putting some signs in it, and you're actually adding, bows, ribbons, things like that, embellishing in that way, and beautiful wreaths out there in grapevines. So, and some people find it, even though they start out with mesh wreaths, they find it a little bit easier sometimes with the grapevine. If you're a new beginner, sometimes that grapevine's just a little bit more advanced for you, so you might want to start out with that mesh wreath. Or then again, you might be a little bit more on the grapevine side. But we have all of the wreaths at tmigifts.com. Y'all check it out, tmigifts.com. And thanks for joining me on this Back to the Basics, what you need to start with your wreath when you are a beginner. Y'all, this is episode 2. Y'all look for all of our future episodes. And y'all comment and like and subscribe.